The Biden administration is now going to allow immigrants seeking benefits to mark their gender identity without needing their documentation to match. The news release posted by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services on March 31st said the update to the immigration benefits policy is meant to clarify that immigrants do not need to submit proof of their gender identity when requesting to change their gender marker, except for those submitting a Form N-565, which is submitted by those applying for a replacement naturalization certificate or citizenship document. The release also states that the only gender markers available on their forms and documents are male and female, but the Department of Homeland Security is working to add an additional gender marker of X for another or unspecified gender identity. The clarification came on Transgender Day of Visibility. About a dozen states have enacted laws that ban gender-affirming care for minors, and the American Civil Liberties Union reports that 430 bills have been introduced in state legislatures during this legislative session that target LGBTQ individuals. Irina Kionis, executive director of the Texas nonprofit organization Doctors for Change, defined gender-affirming care as judgment-free, individualized care oriented toward understanding and appreciating a person's gender. Providers often work with counselors and family members to ensure they have everything they need to navigate the healthcare system. Under the gender-affirming model of care, more time is spent allowing kids to socially transition instead of focusing on medical treatment. A social transition consists of the steps a child takes to affirm their identity. Leading healthcare organizations, including the American Psychiatric Association, the American Academy of Pediatrics, the American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, and others agree, and they say gender-affirming care is the best way to provide care for transgender children. And transgender people make up a considerable portion of the population in the United States. Over 1.6 million adults and youths identify as transgender in the United States. And the takeaway from all of this is you can now check off male, female, or X if you are something other than male or female, or you don't want to even say what you are. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.